Today's video, we are going to be unboxing the March RoccaBox. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So yeah, today's video we are going to be unboxing the March RoccaBox. Let's get this open. So this costs £15 per month, and I think there's postage on top of that as well. But I have a link, I'll pop it down below in the information box and the comment box for you. If you click that link, you'll get 25% off your first box. But yeah, here is the box. Let's have a little sneaky peek inside. So let's have a look. What is this? Benefit and RoccaBox partnership, 20% off your next shop. Yeah, so if you want to scan that QR code, you'll get 20% off your benefit shop. Right, so yeah, we have the edit card here. On the edit card, it just says this edit is called Spring Fling. This box has a value of £72. There is a quick sneak peek of what is in the box, and it has a QR code here where we'll get more information on the products with a digital edit card. That's just a little teaser there. They have a limited edition box as well, worth £385. Yours for just £45. There it is there. If you are interested, go online and have a look. But yeah, we are doing the Spring Fling edit. Just before we get into everything, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. Helps my channel out so much. Right guys, so the first product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Grande Cosmetics, and this is a Grande Pop Plumping Liquid Blush. This comes in two different shades, and the one that I've received is in the shade Sweet Peach. It's a full-size product and it has a value of £23. So it just says here, the key benefits to this is that it lifts, plumps and illuminates with powerful ingredient complexes. It firms and tightens fine lines and wrinkles. It hydrates your skin for a dewy look. It's silky, weightless texture. So you just apply a small amount of product to the apples of your cheeks, or wherever you like your blush placement to be at the end of the day, and gently pat into the skin using your fingertips. Blend it out to achieve a seamless finish. Experience an ultimate lifting and tightening sensation within 1 to 2 minutes. This versatile product can be used on bare skin or applied over your makeup. Right, so we definitely have to get this out and have a little swatch to see what's going on. Right, so ooh, here it is. That's a lovely shade, isn't it? Sweet Peach. Oh wow, that doe-fur. That doe-fur is cute. So that is the shade. That's beautiful. I must admit, I do normally go for like a more of a pinky blush, but yeah, I'm really liking that. That's really nice. Yeah, it feels nice on the skin as well. I can't smell anything. Never heard of the brand before. Have you? I can't wait to try that out properly to see what it actually looks like on my skin. Second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Botanicals, and this is a hemp bio vitality nutrition oil. A full-size product again, and it has a value of £16. This deeply hydrates the skin, providing moisture without a heavy greasy feeling. It balances the skin, soothing irritation and reducing redness. It's formulated with 2% hemp seed oil, 100% natural, free from perfume, chemicals and preservatives. So all you do is you apply 2 to 3 drops to cleanse skin every morning and evening, and follow with a moisturizer. I'll have to see what it is like. Normally I use oils only on a night time. I don't like an oily feeling on my skin in the morning, which then lasts throughout the day, but I will try it on a night time to see what it's like and if I can use it through the day. Yeah, I mean, it sounds good. I like the brand, it's really nice. I've tried a few things from Botanicals. Some have been a hit, some have been a miss. Hopefully this is a hit because I do like products with hemp in it, if I'm honest, so I can't wait to try that out. The item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Inclusive Beauty, and it's a powdered face wash. Ooh, it says in shades. In shades? Does it not mean scents? In shades, lemon and spearmint or clary sage. These are deluxe minis and they have an RRP of £8. So the one I have got is the lemon and spearmint one. I don't know why it says in shades, it must mean scent, but yeah. So to activate the powder formula to create a rich lather, just add water, gently massage onto the face and rinse with water. Sounds really easy. I have received one of these in a different beauty box a few months ago. I haven't had a chance to try it out yet, so I will actually have to, I don't know, try it out. So it's infused with rosehip oil, otis root, hibiscus flower, this powder to lather facial cleanser, which is suitable for everyone, regenerates, nourishes and brightens your skin, delivers a radiant complexion. That sounds cool. If it works, awesome. And maybe this is great for traveling as well, so it's not going to leak all over your suitcase and soak everything because it's powder. But yeah, let's have a sniff. Oh wow, yeah, you can really smell that spearmint, and the lemon really complements it as well. Nice. Fourth product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Grounded, and it's almond and cherry coffee scrub. It has a value of £10. It doesn't say if it's full size or not, so I don't know. I'm presuming it's full size. Aside from smelling absolutely incredible, this scrub will buff away dry skin, brighten your complexion, tone the skin and help boost blood circulation. It's a perfect pre-fake tanning product because it can also be used in your daily shower routine. So you massage the scrub into wet skin in circular motions all over the body, or where areas need extra love. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, let the product work into the skin and then rinse off with warm water. And if there's scrub still remaining on the skin, just wash off with body wash. Okay, so I love coffee scrubs, absolutely love them. I hate the mess that they make. It's like a love-hate relationship I have with coffee scrubs. So I'm really happy to get this, but I'm also really annoyed that I've got a coffee scrub because they are so messy. So yeah, I can't wait to smell it. Cherry almond, that is gonna smell delicious. Yes, proper seal, I can't smell anything, but yeah, I'm super excited to smell it. I'm just not super excited to clean up the mess. And final product we have in the box is this. This is by the brand Duo Doc, and it's intimate wipes in fresh coconut. Full size product. This has a value of £15, and oh my god, I love coconut, so that has me super happy straight away. Packed in spring-like candy striped boxes, Duo Doc's intimate deo wipes are perfect for popping into your handbag for when you need a freshen up on the go. For external use only, obviously. Remove wipe from the foil package, unfold and gently wipe front to back, using each wipe only once. Do not flush. Okay. Oh, Swedish intimate skincare. Nice. I've never heard of that brand before. Let's open it up. Oh, there's a little serrated line there. So it opens up like a packet of cigarettes. And there we go, there is the wipes. So that's what they look like. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's 10 wipes in here and they're £15. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I do like intimate wipes and so on, so I will actually pop some of these in my handbag. And like I say, I'm super excited that they're coconut. Really pretty packaging, I must admit. Right guys, so this is your March RoccaBox. This is the Spring Fling edit. What do you think? Personally, I actually think this is an alright box. I'm really liking this box, in fact. So let's just have a little recap. So we have this gorgeous blusher. I really do like that, and yeah, my skin feels nice and smooth, and it's, yeah, it's different. I really like it. We have the hemp nutrition oily stuff. Yeah, can't wait to use that. As I say, I do love an oil for my skin. I generally just use an oil in the night time. That says you can use it day and night, but personally I probably will just use it in the night time. The powder face wash stuff that you lather up sounds really cool. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to try that out because it's just a novelty factor, isn't it? The coffee scrub, yay, I love it. Boo, I don't, I hate it. Like I say, it's a love-hate relationship, and mainly the hate because of the mess. And yeah, the intimate wipes, they are such a cool, handy little product. I mean, you only get 10 in there, which is unfortunate. £15. But they are scented with coconut. And hey, let's test them out, see what they're like. If it's really good quality, then yeah, you're paying for the quality if it is good quality. But coconut, love it. So I think this month gets a thumbs up from me. I am happy, yay. What do you think though? Comment down below. Do you get this box? Are you interested in getting it? Again, it is linked down there in the information box and the comment box. Give it a click, it'll get you 25% off your first box. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.